Hi, we will make this plate chilaquiles with sauce red with the beans
Refritos.
with cheese, refried beans with the cheese.
Hi,
We are Mario
and Memo.
And Rafa,
and we make the
Chilaquiles
chilaquiles rojos with beans and cheese.
the ingredients are tortillas, onion,
Garlic.
epazote, and tomatoes, and chili.
And cheese, añejo,
Cheese añejo.
and cream,
Cream.
and beans. First step, I'm going to cut the tortilla in little triangles. Hey, vamos con amor y cariño. Already Mario is washing the tomatoes. Wow.
Cut the 3 tomatoes, middle onion and chili, and all these add the saucepan and go the
And garlic.
garlic
Ya, otra
yes,
vez, córtalo.
and go the boil.
Yes. Cut.
Un perrito, ¿no? No sabe como la...
Y el... Yes. Ahora put the fire. Y aquí esperaremos hasta que hierva.
Inglés.
I stay here to the boil this.
Then add beans to the saucepan with water.
Oh, it's fantastic.
And we stay to boil the beans.
Wow.
Shout out.
Oh, it's hot.
Oil to the saucepan because in 2 minutes we are going to fry tortillas.
Wow. More.
No more.
I add the totopos in the hot oil. Okay. Hey, come. Here.
Espera.
Okay.
Here now, grate the oil the tortillas and
It's very fun. And the 10 minutes, the totopos are ready. See this. It's a beautiful.
and now of the stuff. And now add the tomatoes in the
Blend.
licuadora.
Blend.
The blend.
Blend.
The blend tanks.
Oh, blend.
Blend. The blend tanks. Very,
Very funny.
very sausage.
The power of money.
The chili,
And the garlic.
the garlic. I don't know this.
More tomatoes.
More tomatoes.
We pour the sauce.
Salt.
The sauce.
An explosion.
¿Vas a poner eso en el video?
We need to cook the sauce. I don't know, 30 minutes.
I put the pasote in the saucepan.
This is cilantro or marijuana.
The frijoles are cooking, eh? Cooking, remember? Because sometimes there are people that forget and the beans.
Hey, the beans are ready.
Oh.
And
Deja eso por ahí. ¿Para qué esa? Trae para acá. Oh.
it's already.
Then for accompany the chilaquiles, we going to prepare rice beans. First add and
Fry the
onion
Fry the onion.
to the frying pan.
Now pour the beans, refried beans in the pan, in the pan. And mash it with the potato
and sal.
and salt. And now with the potato smasher, smash the beans.
Scratch this cheese.
Delicious. Cheers.
Okay, guys.
Ya está.
Now we need the cream for chilaquiles.
Finally, the ingredients are ready, and now I put the chilaquiles in this plate. ¿Así? Delicious. I put the sauce in the top bowls. And the beans refritos,
Refried beans.
but accompanying this delicious plate. Hey, you can. Now spread cheese
Spread.
in the
Sprite.
Ja.
and now is art.
Then
Now eating. Of course, the cream.
And the soda.
The soda.
Un poquito porque se acaba.
now we can add cream. 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 Cream.
Oh, cream!
Cream.
We'll taste this maravilloso
With the fork?
recipe. Está bueno, ¿eh?
¿No está? Nate.
Están buenos. Tengan algo, pero están buenos. Sí, claro, bien, ¿eh?
Me sorprendí.
No creí que yo pudiera hacer algo tan bueno.
Well, it's tan bueno. Very surprised. Well, this is all for this video, and see you later in next week. We make the tamales. Make of tamales
Al mole.
and mole with Rafael Hernández, Mario Maza, and
Mi
Guillermo
canal.
Solares.
Que es mi canal al final.
See you later and
Next summer.
next summer.